on December 24. We will bring you home.
Pasko na sa kuyang nanay hinahanap taka. Kami lang tigdi ni tatay hinahalat ka na. Panuan Pasko magugmakun kami senang dua an sa kuyang pangadyeon sa Pasko yaon ka na. Sa kong padangat ako man naglalanat, kundi di nagtatrabaho ini para sa imo.
Pasko sa Kabikolan, it will bring you home. As it makes you cry, as it makes you smile, as it brings you home, where we celebrate the happiest Christmas the world has ever known. On December 24, let us watch what is perhaps the most spectacular Christmas concert for 2020 to raise funds for the typhoon victims of Bicol. Let us bring you home. Because the happiest Christmas in the world must remain in our hearts. Pasko sa Kabikolan. Antabayanan, Disyembre 24, Pispiras nin Pasko. For a minimum donation of $10, we will send you a link to watch the show on December 24. You can send your donations through GCash, through BDO, BPI, and PNB. For details, please check our FB page, St. Raphael the Archangel Parish of Pili.